Coding is a very creative process and allows it to make a lot of things such as websites, mobile apps, and apps games. If you want to start your journey as a coder programmer and you're looking for some useful resources, you are at the right place. This guide, we will share the best websites to get coding for free. Let's get started. Number 1, Hackerrank. Let's start with Hackerrank, which is arguably one of the best websites to learn coding for free. The best thing about Hackerrank is that they allows us to coding and get hired by companies. On this platform, you will find many of softwares and companies from around the world that regularly had talented coders from the platform. On the platform we'll find a variety of crash courses along with the challenges, which will help you get started with coding and take your coding skills to the next level. So if you want to build a website, learn coding, and help you get a good company, then it should be a great option for you. Number 2, Freecodecamp. Freecodecamp is one of the most popular websites to learn coding for free. The platform comes with over 7,000 courses covering a variety of programming languages, including Python, JavaScript, and more. On top of that, it also offers a certificate that you can showcase in your portfolio, and they can help you get jobs and projects from clients around the world. Another great thing about Freecodecamp is that it also covers the other professions related to computer science, such as quality assurance, data analysis, and machine learning. Also, it can be completely free to use. Number 3, Stackoverflow. Stackoverflow is arguably one of the biggest communities of developers. If you want to become coder, you will need this website at some point in your career. Best thing about stuff that you can still share the issue you're facing with the coding on the platform, and you will get a response from other coders within minutes, and on top of that it also comes with age database of previous issues faced the other folders, which you can explore and find solutions to. Number 4, Geeks for Geeks. The secret of becoming great coder is practice. Become the very best to have the practice, and that's where Geeks for Geeks can help you. It is considered one of the best websites. Coding for free platform comes with detailed coding tutorials which you can use to learn different programming languages. The best thing about Geeks for Geeks is that it comes with various quizzes and articles should help you take your coding skills to the next level. Number 5, Codeacademy. Codeacademy is another very popular Korean website that is surely a resource for beginners. The platform offers free, interactive sessions in various programming languages including jobs with Ruby, SQL, Swift and Python. Codeacademy also offers the courses that will help you learn various languages in detail and become an expert. Overall, if you are a platform that can help you in the beginning and the later stages, Codeacademy is a great option for you. Number 6, W3 Schools. W3 Schools is arguably one of the most popular websites to learn coding for free. The best thing about W3 Schools is that it covers the basics very extensively, which makes it easier for beginners to grasp the basics and start their journey as a coder. W3 Schools covers various programming languages including JavaScript, PHP, Python, Angular, Java and C++. The best thing about W3 Schools is that it comes with an online IDE which coders to run their code online, which is a big plus. If you want a website to be simple and easy to understand tutorials, W3 Schools solid option for you. Number 7, Hackerearth. Hackerearth is one of the best websites to learn the coding for free. On the spot from you find tons of tutorials to learn different programming languages. Also, the great thing about Hackerearth is that you can also help you prepare for coding interviews, and you can connect you with the right company where you can apply for jobs and demonstrate your coding skills. So if you are the plans from the recording and potentially get a job after Earth is really a solid option for you. Number 8, Codementor.io. If you are just starting your journey as a coder, you should consider Codementor.io. Because you can connect you with experienced developers will help you become a great coder, finding a major issue to the biggest problems for beginners. But with this platform, can you still connect with the right mentor? The biggest benefit had a good mentor is that you'll be able to learn from the experience and get personalized learning, which can be great. Where are you? I'm so they can help you get jobs because they already worked in the industry. Number 9, Codeacademy. Codeacademy is a very popular online learning platform. which provides expensive to tutorials, super active subjects including programming languages. It is not as expensive as the other platforms on this list, but still it is a great resource for beginners. Platform comes with a comprehensive tutorials covering the basics of various programming languages, including JavaScript, CSS, and HTML. Number 10. edX. edX is another very popular academic website that also offers programming tutorials. It is surely not an ideal choice for beginners. But once you have covered the basics of programming and you want modular programming courses, then you can consider edX platform. Comes with a variety of programming languages, including Python, Java, and C#. On top of that, also covers some advanced level courses, which are completely free for users. Number 11. YouTube. YouTube, if you are not found like video tutorials, even consider YouTube. It is the platform in some of the best scoring channels which will help you become the very best coder. On YouTube you will find various channels such as Treehouse, The New Boston, Traversy Media, Dev Tips, and others that offer extensive tutorials in different programming languages. Please let us know in the comments. Also subscribe to our channel and visit our site for more useful guides. Thank you.